Hello kids. Welcome to NK Quiz. Are you ready to guess the farm animal by its picture? Guess the animal. Sheep. Guess the animal. Pig. Guess the animal. Cow. Guess the animal. Chicken. Guess the animal. Goat. Guess the animal. Dog. Guess the animal. Horse. Guess the animal. Donkey. Guess the animal. Goose. Guess the animal. Rabbit. Guess the animal. Duck. Guess the animal. Cat. Guess the animal. Llama. Guess the animal. Camel. Guess the animal. Fish. Guess the animal. Yak. Guess the animal. Turkey. Guess the animal. Honey bee. Guess the animal. Reindeer. Guess the animal. Guinea pig. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.